Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes. Here today we have a 2003 Suzuki SV650 that's just come in. We've just registered it, we've just serviced it. We've done a oil and filter service on it, checked over, tyres are perfect, brakes are perfect. Now we'll start off on the front. You can see all the plastics are very good. There's a few small minor blemishes. Actually a couple of flies on it, but there's a little mark here on the mudguard. As his tires good, wheels good, discs good. Engine's in great shape. Tank is nice. Saddle has been reupholstered down to the chain and sprockets, which are very good too. Rear shock is great. Over to this side, as I said, there's a couple of small marks here. That's actually a sticker. It'll come off. Exhaust is nice and clean. Into the engine. Frame. Nice, good all-round bike. If you want further details, give us a call. Give you a listen to the engine. Everything's working on the bike, lights, indicators, horns, that kind of stuff, so it's all